Good afternoon, everybody. I just want to document this. I have a scheduled COVID test. Drive test, location, Valley Medical. Appointment is 3:25 p.m. I have to be there at 15 minutes early. We'll see. I have my mask here. I really hope that I am negative. The only way that I will know is to get tested, right? I have cough for several days now. Alright. See you out there.
For you to go over later. I'm going to swab both sides of your nose. Your results will be in 3 to 5 days. Just bring the mask down and cover your mouth. Okay? Head back just a little.
Oh. Ooh, that's deep.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm good to go. Thank you. Oh. Holy shit. I don't know if you guys see it, but I think I covered the camera on. It was long, thin, small swab all the way to your nose, all the way. I don't know where it stops, and I really feel like it goes to my throat as well. And then I will not recommend that thing. But you know, the good thing is, you know, at least you will know. At least you get tested.
Several days later.
Alright, so I was negative. Thank God.